The 2019 Infiniti QX50 is a wonderful bundle of mechanical developments, in places obvious and not noticeable. The most developed fuel motor on the planet may become mixed up in the 2019 Infiniti QX50. The extravagance hybrid SUV likely will be pined for its great looks, extensive inside, and propelled security highlights. None of those are terrible things. Purchasers will see its fuel productivity without comprehending what influences the motor to work, and that is okay. Our score of 7.2 general mirrors our appreciation of the new motor and the auto folded over it, and that is before security considers. Along with our condition, we begin with within, as generally proprietors. The QX50 embraces an exquisite style course for Infiniti, confirmed by its sewed dash and agreeable seats. The uplifting news show signs of improvement in top trims with jewel-sewed, regular calfskin, and softened cowhide embeds, albeit each form is calmly tranquil. Outside, the QX50 takes components from other Infiniti vehicles, significantly crimped rooftop column, open grille, and etched hood, and envelops them by a prevalent hybrid shape. The 2.0-liter turbo 4 under that hood provokes our advantage in view of how it on a very basic level changes task in view of energy or mileage needs in ways that different motors haven't previously. It's creative and shrewd, and beside early generation devils, ought to be consistent for most drivers. The main concern is a 30% pickup in efficiency returns in the course of the last stage. The EPA rates the QX50 up to 27 mpg consolidated. 5 grown-ups won't have an issue fitting easily in the QX50, which gloats a sliding back seat that presents to 38.7 crawls of backseat extra space to move around, tops in its class. The front seats are surprisingly better, high thickness froth obtained from parent organization Nissan makes the Infiniti QX50 throughout the day agreeable. Forward crash cautioning with programmed crisis braking are standard on all QX50s. And dynamic well-being highlights are accessible on top trim levels. Construct QX50s don't hold back in light of highlights, yet we begin with a mid-level and climb from that point. The best trim level offers astonishing quality, and better alternatives. Every trim level incorporate no less than 19-inch wheels, Bluetooth network control, customizable front seats, and a double-screen infotainment framework. We have our issue with that double-screen setup, particularly that it doesn't offer options from Apple or Android. However, recognize that it may not be a major issue. More alluring to customers will be the 27 mpg consolidated in-front drive forms or 26 mpg joined taking all things together wheel drive variants of the QX50. The cost is around $36,550.